In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outside mirror cap on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. You want to tip the mirror down. You could even take the glass off if you want, if it makes it easier. But underneath here, there is 2 releases. You just want to get in there with a pick. And just get under there with a pick. You can release that tab. There's another one over here. Pull this back a little bit. If you need to, you can use a trim tool, get underneath here. Just want to pull it back and up a little bit. It slides right off. And you want to clip the cover in place, just to line it up. Down below. And it's clipped in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.